If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Hi, in this video, we will look at the following main character. Our hands are capable of very advanced and intricate tasks. We use them to hold things and grab things. We use them to make things. We use them to count and even communicate our thoughts. And there's nothing you know better than the back of your own hand. This is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It depicts the shape of two hands holding something upwards. This is how the character looks today. It looks a bit different from the ancient character, but it still depicts two hands holding something up. This character means two hands. Sometimes the shape of the character changes when used as a part of another character. Now that you know the main character, let's see it with some other characters. From here, we will add the symbol for a latch or bar to the two hands. For some doors, you need to lift a latch with both hands to open it. This character means open. It is used in these words, 开始, which means begin or start, and 离开, which means leave or depart. Here's the next character. 1, 2, 3. We use our hands to count all the time. Can you see the two hands in this character? Let's break it down. The top part means bamboo, the middle part means eye, and the bottom part is the two hands. This character is depicting someone flicking the beads of an abacus which was made with bamboo. This character means count. It is used in these words, 打算, which means plan, and 计算, which means count. Let's look at another character. This is one of the characters where the character for two hands changes shape. The two hands are changed to the two dots below and the horizontal line right above it. The rest of the character symbolizes an important item. This character depicts hands holding up an important item together. This character means together. It is used in this word, gong, which means public. Let's see the last character. This character is depicting several hands. Like the previous character, the two hands are changed to the two dots on the bottom and the horizontal line above them. The three dots on the top symbolize two hands and something. So, two hands and something. This is the simplified version of this character. This character depicts many people joining hands and cheerfully working together. This character means excitement. It is used in this word, 高兴, which means happy.
If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
From here, the Chinese added another character for hand to emphasize the lifting action. This character means lift. These are the characters we looked at today. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one.